Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light, overhead console, retained accessory power, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.